First time naming pumunta sa Port Barton and isa ito sa pinakamagagandang underrated spot sa Palawan. Mas tahimik, less crowded, clear, and calm waters. This was just our first day in Port Barton and honestly, ang ganda agad ng start ng trip namin. We arrived in Puerto Princesa at around 1 PM. Then paglabas ng airport, nag-rent lang kami ng tricycle going to Cajuel for our lunch. 90 pesos per person yung trike or tuk-tuk na sinakyan namin. So 180 yung total naming dalawa. For lunch, we ordered chicken binakol, pinakbet. Masarap yung pinakbet, fresh yung mga gulay nila and very flavorful. Yung chicken binakol masarap din, para siyang tinola pero yung sabaw ay naluan ng buko juice na mas lalong nagpasarap sa kanya. Yung Shanghai crispy, masarap and okay din naman yung rice. After lunch, we booked our joiner van transfer through Kuya Mark, our Port Barton Island tour guide. 600 pesos per person yung transfer mula Puerto Princesa to Port Barton. Pagdating namin sa Port Barton Terminal, around 2 minutes lang by tuk-tuk, papunta na kami sa accommodation namin. We checked in at Holiday Suites Port Barton na nabook namin for around 5,500 pesos per night and we stayed here for 2 nights. You can book this on Klook or on Agoda and use my promo codes para makakuha pa kayo ng extra discount. Isa sa mga nagustuhan namin about our accommodation was beachfront siya and super tahimik. The moment na naglakad-lakad kami along the beach, amazed kami kasi ang kalmado ng dagat and ang peaceful ng buong surrounding. Walang masyadong ingay, chill lang talaga. Perfect siya for our first day kasi after traveling from Puerto Princesa, relaxation agad yung vibe. After checking in, lumabas muna kami to look for a restaurant for dinner. We decided to have dinner at Barton Bistro. We ordered 4 cheese formaggio, seafood carbonara. Sarap na sarap kami sa pizza. Bagong luto siya when it was served. Overall, super satisfied kami sa dinner. So that's it for our first day in Port Barton. Chill lang ang ating first day, no? Mula Puerto Princesa, nag-road trip to Port Barton, check-in sa hotel, sunset beach walk, hanggang masarap na dinner. So abangan nyo yung next vlog natin dahil doon naman i-share namin yung ating Port Barton Day 2, ang island hopping namin sa Port Barton. Yun lang, bye!